Hey guys, welcome back to Manjulations. My name is Manjula. Today I'm going to share you how to cook a whole chicken in rich and spicy coconut gravy. This is a great centerpiece in your dining table. When you have your friends and family over, serve this dish with other vegetables, with rice or with some noodles or with some roti or paratha. I'm sure they will love it. Here I have a washed, dry and a scored chicken. The reason for the scoring is because when we add the spices, it will marinate nicely into the chicken. Starting off with the salt, turmeric powder. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper, dry roasted chili powder, about half a tablespoon, roasted curry powder, same amount, half a tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of coconut vinegar. If you don't have coconut vinegar, you can use any kind of vinegar. Now I'm going to rub the spice mixture into the chicken. I like to leave the skin when I cook the chicken because it gives an extra flavor from the fat. But if you don't like it, please you can just remove it. So I'm going to turn the chicken over and I'm going to repeat with the same spices. This is a fiery dish, but if you don't like this amount of chili, you can always adjust to your likings. This part is very important if you want to get a flavorful chicken curry. So this is done. I'm going to cover this in cling wrap and just put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to 1 hour. So it will nicely absorb all the juices and all the spices into the chicken. Here I have a heavy base saucepan on medium heat. I'm going to add some coconut oil or any kind of vegetable oil. When it's nice and hot, I'm adding the pandan leaf, the curry leaf, onion, ginger garlic paste, and I'm gonna mix it. After 30 seconds, I'm going to add the tomatoes, the capsicum, and the chilies, fresh chilies. Mix it all. After 1 minute, I'm going to add some salt, pepper, cinnamon sticks, turmeric powder, fenugreek paste, roasted curry powder, chili powder, a little bit of vinegar, and now I'm going to add the whole chicken. Now I'm going to cover this and cook for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to add about 2 cups of water. I use the same bowl that I used to marinate the chicken. So in that case I'm not wasting any spices. cook for about 15 minutes. I turned the chicken over a couple of times so it will cook both sides evenly. Now this is after about 20 minutes. During that time I have turned the chicken over 4 to 5 times so it will cook both sides nice and even. And now I'm going to add the coconut milk. I have here about 2 cups of coconut milk. Mix gently. Make sure keep on stirring gently. Alright guys, my chicken is done. I have been cooking this chicken for about 30 to 35 minutes. But if you want less gravy, you can cook it further. But I like a bit more gravy, so I'm gonna stop at this stage. Alright guys, here we have our chicken and the whole kitchen smells divine. I can't taste this chicken, it's too hot, but try the gravy and it is good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and I'll see you soon with another great recipe. Bye for now.